Good evening, bargainers. And today, I light up your world. So, what I have for you today is toilet bowl light. Now this toilet bowl light has 8 different colors, and all you simply do is place it at the edge of your toilet bowl and it illuminates it. Pretty simple, but trust me, it is a beautiful work of art. Well, we only have 2 things in here. First, instruction manual, which you won't really need because self-explanatory, and the toilet bowl light itself. Now, in the front, you have a neat little sensor that senses both light and motion, and the set button itself. First, we're gonna go ahead and place our 3 AAA batteries in the back. 1, 2, and 3. Now, because there's lighting everywhere, over here, 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 and here, you won't be able to see anything. So what I'm going to do, simply place her right back inside the little box. Try to get as little light as possible to go inside the box and let there be light. So now that we've confirmed that the light actually works, what it has 8 different color lights, and as you can see over here. The next thing you'll do is basically bend the nozzle, put it at the edge of your toilet bowl, and every time you pass in front of your toilet bowl, this will illuminate the bowl, and trust me, it is a beautiful, beautiful work of art. Now, once you get your hands on one of these bad boys, you're going to love it. No more fumbling in the dark and no more bright bathroom lights in the middle of the night. Now, in the description below, I've left a link to the eBay account where I purchased 2 and got 1 for free for under $10. You'll thank me later. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the pricing for the toilet bowl light. Special thanks to the one seller that happens to be selling 3 for only $10. 3 is all you need, and all you end up spending is $10. This is a win. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 5 out of 5 bargain stamps of approval. So as far as functionality goes, this is pretty nice. It has a nice little sensor in the front. So if you're in the restroom and you turn on the light will automatically turn off to preserve battery power. And because of that, it is nice and it does exactly what it intends to do. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 5 out of 5 bargain stamps of approval. Next, we have look. Well, it's not the best looking item to have in your restroom, but because of the lights and the fact that it just makes your toilet bowl look so beautiful and just so warm and inviting, I'm gonna stick with the 5 out of 5 bargain stamps of approval. And finally, we have durability. Now, I've gone through a couple of these things and they don't really last as long as I would hope that they would last. Honestly, they would last for approximately 4 to 5 months. They'll get damaged from slamming the toilet bowl, or if water were to fall inside and then it just damages the internal components. But because of the pricing and it's so cheap, but because the durability is not there, I'm honestly gonna have to give it a 2 for the durability. Which leads us with a grand total of 17 out of 20 bargain stamps of approval. So, for this month's giveaway, I'll be giving away 1, 2, and 3 copies of the toilet bowl light. So if you'd like to get your hands on one of these, simply subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, leave a comment down below, and press the notification button for your chance to win one of these life-changing toilet bowl lights. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's fun, it's free, and who doesn't like free? I know I do.